This is Dragons, Slimes, and Shadows, a new series where I explore the world of Dungeons and Dragons. The first episode, we meet our three adventurers. There's a human fighter, an elf wizard, and a dwarf cleric. They are searching for a lost artifact called the Staff of Shadows. When suddenly they are attacked by goblins, the party fights their way through the goblins and emerges victorious. As they make their way through the dungeon, they discover a secret passageway that leads them to a large cavern filled with treasure. But they are not alone. A powerful dragon guards the treasure, and the party must now fight to survive. The dragon breathes fire and ice, but the party is able to defeat it. As they explore the cavern, they find the Staff of Shadows and other magical items. But they are not the only ones who want these items. A group of evil wizards known as the Crimson Hand want them too. The staff is so powerful that even a touch of it can drain the life force from a living creature. The party must now use all their strength and skills to defeat the Crimson Hand and prevent them from using the staff's power for evil. Will the party be able to defeat the Crimson Hand? And what other dangers will they face in their quest? Find out next time on Dragons, Slimes, and Shadows.